So finally, my friends, I got this book, and this book I ordered on Flipkart, which I got it, as you can see right now. And now I'm opening this, and this book is covered by two envelope. You can see two envelope, and right now, as you can see in my hand, this book name is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Of course, my friends. And friends, now I'll read this book, and what experience I'll feel while reading this book, all experience I'll share with you. Okay. And friends, till yet I didn't read this book, but yes, I heard from so many people like it's a very useful and it should be read this book. That's why I bought it, as you can see right now in my hand. So see, my friends, I read to parents everywhere, a child's first and most important teachers, and to all those who educate, influence, and lead by example. So, yes, my dear friends, if you are learning English language these days, so learn, continue, and whatever you want to buy, any book like related to English, then you buy and read every day. Okay, at least one page you can read is in every day. Okay, this way if you do, then your English will be improved very fast way. Okay, so yes, my friends, whatever you want to that type book you can buy and read and make your habit to read book. Okay. So my dear friends, that the thing I wanted to share with you in this video. Like, I ordered this book, which I got it, as you can see right now in my hand. So my dear, if you want, then you can also buy it on Flipkart or Amazon, wherever you want. So for more videos, subscribe the channel and keep learning.